This short tutorial will guide you on how to record and download videos on the ExactVision camera system in Jarvis Hall 314. Each room is identified by the room number and letter. For example, 314B. The main room is labeled 314. To begin recording a session, press the red record button on the wall inside the room. The button will light up when the recording has been activated. To stop recording, press the button and the record light will turn off. You can download the video recording from the computer located in the main room. Unlock the front door of the cabinet underneath and open the small panel door on the right side. From here, you can turn on the computer, then log in with the admin password. To find the recording, click the magnifying glass icon at the top left corner. Then proceed by clicking the Groups tab on the lower right. Each room will be designated as a group with cameras 1 and 2 along with the audio. Click the room where the video was recorded. The cameras and audio will automatically be included. Be sure to click the timeline icon at the top left. At the bottom right-hand side, enter the date of the session in the search range. Enter the approximate start time of the session. Then enter the date you are searching and the approximate end time. Finally, click Search. This will give you the timeline of the session blocked out in red. You can shorten or lengthen the display of the timeline by clicking the plus or minus icons. If you need to view the timeline earlier or later than your search, click either the left or right arrows. Next, you will need to highlight both cameras, 1 and 2, and the first audio track. The font for all tracks should appear bold. Drag the yellow vertical timeline bar to the time in which you want the video presentation to begin. At the top of the timeline bar, right-click and drop down to Mark Export Start. Move the yellow timeline bar to where the presentation ends. Right-click to Mark Export Stop. Right-click again and drop down to Export Video and Audio. After the Save window pops up, it is important to save the file to the D drive and not to the local C drive. Next, open the Export File folder. Give the file a unique name, such as the student's name and the date of the presentation. This will create an exe file or an executable. The executable file will embed the video player into the file and allow you to view one or both cameras without any additional software to download. If you wish to make a highlight video, you can drop down to create either a QuickTime or AVI file. Each camera will then be a separate file on its own. To transfer the video file to a thumb drive, go to Computer from the Start menu, open the D drive, then open the Export folder. The folder will contain the presentation you wish to transfer. Insert your thumb drive into one of the 2 USB ports located by the computer's power button. Open the folder to view files and drag the presentation to your thumb drive. Be sure to log out of the computer and shut down.